So after you have done the engine service, you have to make a record document for the owner according to the mileage. The mileage which will be depends on the quality of an engine oil you put, because the industry try to do different engine oil quality depends on the ability of the customers. They are the oil for 15 kilometers. They are the oil for 5,000 kilometers. They are the oil over 3,500 kilometers. So you will make a document record according to the engine quality you have put. So after this one, if you are sure that the service have done well, you check and you clean where there are some drops for oil, because the drops will bring the dust direct or quickly in the engine. You clean everywhere there are drops that comes while you are filling the oil. Then you close the bonnet. After to close the bonnet, now I am going to make a record for the service that I have done. You make the record for the driver or the owner of the car, and you have to make a record for the workshop, because sometimes the records that you give to the customer, we suppose that sometimes it can be lost. Then I took my document to fill up the mileage and the date and the engine oil quality that I have used for filling. This is for the owner of the car. It is composed by the name of garage, type of engine quality you have put in, and you have to write the date that for a service. You pick up the pen, then you write a date for today. You write the engine oil quality you have put. And you tick where it is right and the spares you have changed. If it is on the air filter, you tick. If it is not replaced, you don't tick. For the engine oil, you tick. Engine oil, you tick. Engine oil filter, you tick. For the gearbox, because of you don't change the gearbox oil, you don't tick. And after, I'm going to check the mileage for the car. It must be written. Then you add the mileage for the oil. If it is the oil for 15,000 kilometers, you take the mileage in the car, you add 15. Or if it is for 5,000, you write by adding that 5,000. According to the mileage taken in the car dashboard, I have to add the kilometers according to the oil used. This oil is for 3,500 kilometers. I add to the mileage I got them from the car. Here it was 163,500 kilometers. Now for adding 3,500, it will be 15. It will be 16,007 kilometers. It will be 1,607,000 kilometers. Then after writing these records for the owner of the car, I have to write them in my document to remain at the workshop. Suppose that this owner document will be lost. I write them in the workshop book. You write a date for today. You write the name for customer, Benjamin. You write type of service done. I have done an engine service. You write. You write the material which are used. We change the oil. You write engine oil. If you change the air filter, you write. Where I have changed the oil filter. And you write the mileage in the car that you found there. And you write the mileage which is required to do another service for next time. So after I finish to make a record for service, you put this document record in the car, which will help the driver or the owner of the car to be checked if the oil are already at the end to be used it. So now I finished the engine service for the car. Today it is enough. We will see another lesson at the next time. Today, I appreciate you. Thanks a lot.